Hey guys, it's Ryan with AIinsidertips.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create realistic images using AI just like the image on my screen here. Yes, this is 100% AI generated, and I couldn't believe it when I saw it for the first time. Or images like this, or images like this. You can really do any sort of prompt and you can generate realistic images of astronauts on the moon, dogs playing in the snow, or even a headshot of a completely fake person using AI. But before I get into the details of this tutorial, I first want to let you know about my free guide on the best AI side hustles in 2024 and beyond. Guys, I personally used some of these side hustles to generate more than $5,000 a month in passive income online, and you can find my free guide in the video description or pinned comment below. So diving right into this tutorial, what I am using to create these realistic images with AI is a custom GPT called Photo Realistic GPT. So you do need to be a member of ChatGPT Plus in order to access this. I will leave a link to this custom GPT in the video description below so you guys can access this easily. But if I hover over the details of this custom GPT, I get to a website, genigpt.net, and it says web app coming soon, try our Telegram bot. So I'm not really sure what model this is using. It's not DALL-E. I don't believe it's Stable Diffusion. It's definitely not, Meta AI or Adobe FireFly or any of these other AI image generators. So unfortunately, you do have to be a member of ChatGPT Plus, which is still $20 a month to access this photorealistic GPT. But you'll see here, I generated this headshot using this custom GPT. Now, what was the prompt that I did to do this? So all I did inside this custom photorealistic GPT was prompt the following: professional headshot of a 30-year-old male who works in corporate America at a tech firm. I don't know about you guys, but that definitely looks like a 30-year-old in corporate America who works at a tech firm. Now, what's also cool about this is if I click this genigpt.net, if I click this option right here, it breaks down the entire prompt that it gave this tool. So it says professional headshot of a 30-year-old male working in corporate America at a tech firm. And then as you can see, it added a ton more details that I didn't even prompt it with. So it's automatically optimizing my prompt into its system to generate an image that looks like this. So that's really, really awesome that it can do that. So I also, copy and pasted the same prompt here in other free AI image generators just to see what it would come up with. So if I hop over to imagine.meta.com, I'll leave a link to all of these in the video description below. But Imagine with Meta AI is their new free AI text to image generator. And I copy and pasted the exact same prompt, and this is what it came up with. So that looks extremely unrealistic. Not a big fan of that one. That one is I'm so on. That one looks more realistic in my opinion, semi-realistic, but still not any of these images even compare to what this photorealistic custom GPT produced. So Microsoft Copilot, I've mentioned them in other videos on my channel. They are powered by DALL-E 3, so this is a free way to get DALL-E 3 if you're not familiar with that without paying for ChatGPT Plus. And here are the headshots that DALL-E 3 created inside Microsoft Copilot using that exact same prompt that I gave it here. So it generated 4 images, and as you can see, if I zoom in on one, all 4 of these are not very realistic. You can still see hints of AI generation. This still looks, not very realistic to me. This one out of the 4 is probably the most realistic in my opinion, but still, when you're comparing this to this, in my opinion, it just does not compare. Now, Adobe FireFly is a premium model. I believe it costs $5 or $6 a month individually. But the reason I have it is I do have Photoshop and some other Adobe tools. So FireFly comes with that. And so I just was curious to see what Adobe FireFly could produce. And these images are extremely realistic. I mean, I'm blown away by these as well. But again, this is another paid tool. That's realistic. All 4 of these images are realistic, and they do compare to this image of the original headshot that was designed by this photorealistic custom GPT. So I'm going to show you one more quick example here, and in this prompt, I prompted the following: cinematic photo of astronauts on the moon looking at Earth. And here is the image that the Photo Realistic Custom GPT created. Now, the realism here is extremely impressive in my opinion. The only thing I will say is that they are not looking at Earth. They are looking in the other direction, so it did get that minor detail incorrect. But if I compare it to the other AI image generators, Meta AI, I mean, this one, it still looks very cartoonish and unrealistic in my opinion. This could get the job done. This image could for sure, but that doesn't compare to this one in my opinion, not even close. Microsoft Copilot, so this one looks very AI generated. That one looks okay. So again, this is a free option though. That one looks pretty cool here as well. You could definitely use that. You could definitely use this image in some creative aspect as well. I like that one. So not bad, but still not as good as this image in my opinion. When I come over to Adobe FireFly, this right here looks extremely realistic. I'm very impressed with the output of Adobe FireFly, except for this last image on the end. These people look like the Who's from Whoville, just looking at their faces. So I don't like that last image. I don't like that image either. This image is great right here, and this image is very impressive right here as well. Again, they aren't looking at the Earth, like I said in the directions, but that is a minor detail, guys. So Adobe FireFly is really the only tool that compares to this photorealistic custom GPT. But that's it, guys. Again, this is Ryan with AI Insider Tips. Appreciate you watching this quick video on how to generate realistic images using AI. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for more AI tips and tutorials just like this one. Be sure to like this video if you found value or dislike this video if you didn't find value. And guys, I hope you all have a great day.